So after you sign into your TurboTax account, you want to look at the left side of your screen, and then on the Federal button, you want to click on it. After that, you want to tap on Deductions and Credit button, and then at the current window, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom and hit on Continue. You might have to click on Continue button for a few times until you reach this window, and then here, as you can see. Right now I am using the standard deductions that TurboTax provided for me. And to change it, you want to click right here at Change My Deduction button. Then, you want to click on Itemized Deduction and tap on Continue. As you can see, right now, the deduction that my account will use is Itemized Deduction. And you can redo the change to become standard again with the same method. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.